First of all, you need to prepare the USB cable. In my case, my USB cable is already connected to my Windows computer, so now I just have to connect my USB cable to the iPhone. And there we go. After a short time, you should see a window where you will have to confirm that you want to trust this computer, so you can choose trust over here, and after that you can just move on to your PC. Now on your Windows you should be able to open the Microsoft Store, and you have two main options at least, the iTunes or Apple devices. Both are quite similar, and I personally prefer Apple devices. I think it works slightly better, it is definitely more intuitive, so you should check one of these out and install one of them on your computer. And once you do that, you can of course open the app. If you manage to properly connect the iPhone to your computer, then you should be able to find many different options over here. Like for example, you can back up, you can also go to music, movies, TV shows, and photos. You can also open files, so if you have any apps that contain some sort of data, then you should be able to find your files from that app over here. But in addition to that, you can also go to your computer as long as you are using a proper USB cable that is suitable for transferring files, and you should be able to find Apple iPhone with the internal storage, and over here you can find all photos and videos that you have on your iPhone. In my case I have it empty because I don't have any photos and videos on my iPhone, but over here you will be able to find them. Keep in mind that you can also use the iCloud.com website in order to access files that you have on iCloud. Everything that is assigned to your Apple account to iCloud, you should be able to find it over here. You can download documents as well as photos and videos from iCloud as well, or you can even use the Find My app to locate your iPhone. And of course, in order to get access to the iCloud website, you don't have to connect your iPhone to your computer at all, because it is just done wirelessly through the iCloud. And that's pretty much it. Check out this playlist to find more guides, like, comment, and subscribe.